Now, here we want to discuss the question which is based on the concept of the conservation of angular momentum. A child stands upon the turntable which set to rotate with the speed of the 40 rpm, and this is the question number 7.13 of the NCERT exercise is there. Okay. So the turntable is set to rotate with the speed of the 40 rpm is there. How much is the omega when he folds his hands back, so the moment of inertia reduces to 2 upon 5 times of initial value. Okay, so this is the mathematical concept we have. So we can say easily that the I2 having the relation with the initial one, that is called the 2 upon 5 of that I1. Okay, and another one portion we have, that is show child's new kinetic energy of rotation is more compared to the initial kinetic energy of the rotation are there. So easily we can find out the sum of the values from the statement. So this is the answer and the solution of the problem A is there. So we have easily that omega 1 is equal to 40 rpm is there. This is the simplest version we have, and we have already noticed that what is the meaning of the I2, that is called the 2 upon 5 times of I1 it was there. Okay, now by the principle of the conservation of momentum, as the child is making the folds his hands to make the conversion, we are just saying that L1 is equal to L2 is there. So I1 omega 1, that is called the I2 omega 2. So is the general equation we have. So we are just making the separation of the omega 2 is there, and with the concept of the I1 omega 1 is to be divided by I2 was there. And same how we are just making the I1, the meaning of the I2 is there. Okay, so this is the I1 we have. The meaning of the I2 is the 2 upon 5 of that I1, and omega 1 is the 40 rpm was there. 40 rpm was there, round per minute was there. So whenever we are just making the cancellation of I1 to I2 and solving the meaning of the omega 2 was there, so it comes about the 100 rpm is there. Okay, so this is the one of the general answer we have. Now we have the next segment. How can we say that the final kinetic energy of the rotation is more compared to the initial kinetic energy? So here we can use the basic concept that this is the portion number B we have. Now the kinetic energy initial, kinetic energy of rotation, that is called the initial we have, rotational, that is called the initial we have. So how can we state it? That is called the I1 omega 1 square by 2. It's the general formula we have. So whenever we are just substituting the value of the omega 1 is there, so it comes about that 800 I1. Okay, so this is the kinetic energy of rotation, initial kinetic energy we have. Now next we have that kinetic energy of rotation, that is called the final kinetic energy, that is called the I2 with the omega 2 square by 2. I2 is nothing but it's simply the meaning of the 1 upon 2 there, and the I2 is nothing but it's simply the 2 upon 5, 2 upon 5 of the part of that I1 was there, and the omega is nothing but it is simply the square of the 100 was there. Okay, so we can make the solution of that term. So it comes about the 2 thousands of I1 was there. Okay, so whenever we are just making the ratio of that terms, so how can we make the conclusion? So I am just making the ratio of that part. So easily I can say that kinetic energy of rotation final is a more as compared to the kinetic energy of rotation initial. So we are just getting the relation, that is called the 2000 of I1 is to be divided by 100, 800 of that part I1 was there. I1 to I1 cancel, so we are just making at 0 to 0 cancel, so it comes about 2.5 times. Okay, so we can say that kinetic energy of rotation final is equal to the 2.5 times of the kinetic energy of rotation as compared to the initial was there. Okay, so this one was the solution we have of that problem. Now we can make the more solutions of the other problems. Now, dear students, here we have the question number 7.23, also based upon the concept of the conservation of angular momentum. Now, the man is standing on a circular turnable table, or the platform is there, and he is taking the 5 kilogram that masses in each hands, and these hands are at 90 centimeter from the axis of rotation. So the moment of inertia of the man plus platform, that is called the 7.6 kilogram meter square, where it's making the angular speed with the 30 round per minute there. Okay. Now, whenever he is folding his hands, and these hands are at a distance of 20 centimeter, because in the question it is given that he's folding his hands from 90 to 20 centimeter distance. Okay. Now at this time, the what will be the omega 2 is there, where the same moment of inertia we are using, that is 7.6 kilogram meter square. This is the one of the query is there, and the another one query is that first we have, that is what is the meaning of the omega 2 we have in this condition. Now the second one is that is kinetic energy conserve, is kinetic energy will conserve in this process or not, in this process or not. If not, where does the change comes about. Okay, so this is the one of the question we have, conceptual question we have. So we can make the assessment of the omega 2. So easily we can say that L1 is equal to L2 for both the system is the conserve. That makes the understanding that L is equal to I omega. So I am just writing I1 omega 1, that is called the I2 omega 2 is there. Okay, so this is the one of the general equation which we are using here, and we have to be discuss the meaning of the I1, because here we are just getting the meaning of the I1, that is moment of inertia of the man plus platform plus the moment of inertia of the each mass from the axis of rotation. So I am just making the measurement of the I1 is there. So I1 is nothing but it's simply the sum of the two part. Okay, what are moment of inertia of main plus platform plus moment of inertia of to 5 kilogram masses. Okay, so this is one of the general formula we have discussed here, as I1 can be stated in the part of that 7.6 plus 2 into 5, because we are just getting the two masses are there from the axis of rotation. So what is the total moment of inertia? So 2 into 5, and the distance, square of the distance, and that comes in the part of the centimeter, so we are just converting into the meter. Square is there. So whenever we are just making the solution, complete solution of that term, so it comes about the 15.7 kilogram meter square is there. So this is the first that mean explanation we have. I1 is there. Okay, same how we can make also the assumption of the I2 is there. So whenever we are just making the assumption of the I2 is there, so it comes also that 7.6 plus 2 into 5 into 0.20 square is there. So whenever we are just solving it completely, so it comes that 8 kilogram meter square is there. Okay, so this one is the meaning of the I2 we have, and already we have discussed the meaning of the omega 2 is there. So whenever I am just making the separation of the omega 2 is there, so omega 1 I1 is to be divided by I2 is there. So omega 1 is that it comes that 40 rpm, sorry 30 rpm is there. So I am just writing it 30 rpm is there, with the concept of the I1 is 15.7 is to be divided by that 8 is there. So whenever I am just making the complete solution of that part, so it comes that 59 rpm is there. Okay, so this one is a solution of the first part we have. So, is the kinetic energy conserved? We are not saying that kinetic energy conserved, because the meaning of the final kinetic energy and the initial kinetic energy is changing. So I am just writing the meaning of that part. Final kinetic, the ratio of the final kinetic energy of the rotation to the initial kinetic energy of the rotation is there. So I am just writing that half I2 omega 2 square is there with the ratio of the half I1 omega 1 square is there. So whenever I am just substituting the value of that part, so I am just getting that half to half is cancelled, so I8 into omega 2 is nothing but simply the 59 of square is there. Okay, and is to be divided by I1 is nothing but it's a simply the 15.7 is to be square of the 30 is there. So I am just getting, so I can say that final kinetic energy of the rotation is equal to 1.97 times of the initial kinetic energy of rotation. Okay, so this is not conserved in this process, but where it comes from, the increase in the kinetic energy due to the internal energy of the man is there. Okay, because he is just getting the energy, so from where that he is getting the kinetic and more kinetic energy compared to the initial kinetic energy. So this is all about the questions. Those are based on the concept of the conservation of angular momentum. Okay.